बेड्स की प्रॉब्लम तो अभी फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 weeks आर ऑलमोस्ट सॉल्व नाउ, देयर इज नो इशू ऑफ बेड्स।
ओके।
क्रिटिकल केयर बेड्स काफी एम्प्टी हैं, मॉडरेट वाले तो बहुत ही ज्यादा एम्प्टी हैं।
हाँ
So
जी।
both the beds are, I think, in ample number, even in the government sector and in the private sector.
ओके
So that issue has been taken care of by the
डॉक्टर।
government. And बाकी जो बेड कैपेसिटी है पिछले 4-5 दिनों में काफी ज्यादा बढ़ गई है जितना मुझे मालूम है। मैन पावर इज a big issue. So what we need from you is a volunteers, from you, from the public, from your family, that we need some volunteer. We will give you the phone number. You need to talk to the patients. They give the psychological things, because psychological stabilization is another important thing for these patients, which we have seen, which you can easily give on telephone, teleconsultancy. And some of you in the city, if they are ready, even 0.01% of the citizen ready to work in the civil hospital as a volunteer, may I help you desk, you can set up your may I help you desk, work there in the ground zero level. Then you will realize that how good and helping is for these patients.
What are the contributions that are expected from the citizens? How can they get associated with this particular cause? One is the monetary that everyone knows. What else? How can they contribute to this cause? That is the major issue from all the concerned panelists here.
So let me answer this question. Being a nodal officer, the problems we are facing and how the pandemic is progressing. I'm seeing it from my close quarters. I joined here on 10th, and I think it is 28th day that I am here. One of the major way in which the people can contribute is that we should not allow the disease to progress in a particular citizen. Now, what is the, like, if we see this nature of the disease is 98% ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਉਹ ਘਰ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ। But जो 2% people हैं, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਕਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਤਬੀਅਤ ਬਿਗੜਦੀ ਹੈ। The person is in level 2 when he starts showing symptoms. From there he goes to level 2, then to the level 3. Level 3 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਇਨਵੇਸਿਵ ਨੋਨ ਇਨਵੇਸਿਵ ਵੈਂਟੀਲੇਟਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ। ਇਨਵੇਸਿਵ ਵੈਂਟੀਲੇਟਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚਲਾ ਗਿਆ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਬਚਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਚਾਂसेस 50% प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑलरेडी गॉन है। तो सबसे पहले तो कैंपेन कोई भी हो, उस कैंपेन में हमने ये बताना है कि यदि आपको लगता है कि आपकी तबीयत खराब है तो कृपा करके रश टू द हॉस्पिटल। वी हैव दैट गोल्डन पीरियड ऑफ 72 आवर्स। डॉक्टर बिशप मे बी एक्सप्लेनिंग इट बेटर। ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਟੀਰੋਇਡ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਲੈਵਲ 2 ਤੋਂ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਲੈਵਲ 1 ਲੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਪੈਣਾ ਕਿ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਡੋਂਟ ਹਾਈਡ ਯੂਅਰ ਸਿਕਨੈਸ, ਅਦਰਵਾਈਜ਼ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਲਾਈਫ ਥ੍ਰੈਟਨਿੰਗ ਡਿਸੀਜ਼ ਫॉर ਦੋਸ 2% ਆਫ ਦਾ ਪੀਪਲ। ਖਾਸ ਕਰ ਕੋਮੋਰਬਿਡ ਵਾਲੇ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਸ਼ੂਗਰ ਵਾਲੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਇਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਵੈਸੇ ਹੀ ਕੰਪਰੋਮਾਈਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਜਾਂ ਜੋ ओल्ड एज पीपल हैं, दे शुड ऑलवेज विजिट हॉस्पिटल्स। सेकंड लोगों को ये दसना है कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट गल जो मैं कर रहे हैं, मतलब इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। लोगों को लगता है कि डीएनसी इज द ओनली सोल्यूशन फॉर दिस इलनेस।
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सर।
बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है जो अपन ने लोगों को दसनी है। इधर प्रोटोकॉल फिक्स है, हॉस्पिटल ए, हॉस्पिटल बी, हॉस्पिटल सी, इस चीज तो कुछ डिपेंड नहीं करता। मोर ओवर ये कोई सर्जरी नहीं है कि यार ये डॉक्टर बढ़िया सर्जरी करता है, ये एक्सपर्ट है, ये एक्सपर्ट नहीं है तो ये बढ़िया सर्जरी नहीं करूंगा। द मेडिसिन्स आर फिक्स्ड, द ट्रीटमेंट विच इज गिवन इज फिक्स्ड। देयर इज a particular protocol devised by none other than Dr. Bishop, KK Talwar committee ने, Dr. Bishop was member of that committee. They have designed the protocol. So any person, any hospital, यदि उन्होंने समझ है सिर्फ बीमारियां दी ते दवाइयां दे नामा दी, तो he can treat it। ते सबसे बड़ा कैंपेन जो इस टाइम सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है, दैट इज कि भाई डीएनसी इज नॉट द ओनली सोल्यूशन। किसी हॉस्पिटल ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਦਵਾਈ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਇਲਾਜ ਕਰਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। that golden hour of 72 hours is very very important।
Specifically regarding the participation of the civilians, my query is directly from the DCP police कि सर बहुत सारे NGOs काम कर रहे हैं, एक दो न्यूज नेगेटिव भी आती हैं, बट दैट डजंट मीन कि सारी कम्युनिटी ही खराब है। तो आप कम्युनिटी को या डोनर्स को क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर कि कैसे ऑथेंटिक जगह पर ही कंट्रीब्यूट करें, चाहे वॉलंटियर करें, चाहे कंट्रीब्यूट करें मटेरियलिस्टिकली, सो दैट एवरीथिंग रिमेन्स ट्रांसपेरेंट एंड एवरीथिंग रिमेन्स ऑथेंटिक, और अननेसेसरी ये जो न्यूज आ रही है नेगेटिव टाइप की एनजीओ के बारे में, इसको मतलब हैंडल किया जा सके प्रॉपर।
Yes, we can make a foolproof mechanism in the coming future. We can take a opinion of administration, civil administration also, and we will discuss with our senior commissioner of police also, so that in the coming future we will give you a suitable platform where any of the NGOs or any civil volunteers or any civilian who is interested in contributing the cause, the noble cause for this fighting the pandemic, that can be done. So we will let you know soon, and once the mechanism is ready, then definitely we will let you know, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody, and my heartiest thanks to see in this meeting Mr. Alan Chazian, Mr. Sandeep, Dr. Bishop Mohan, and Director CMC, Mr. Bhatti, Mrs. Satinder, and Manejji, Mridulaji, everybody. I was very keenly observing the proceedings of the meeting and how badly we need some infrastructure. Before going into that, what we need, I have a suggestion for that. But before that, I would like to apprise that from Confederation of Indian Industry, we have helped administration, police, and various hospitals to the tune of around 1.5 crores. And interestingly, that was raised in one day. Just a call, we put a message in a group, and we could raise this thing. We have donated ventilators. We have set up a lab in CMC. We have donated around 25 lakhs to Police Welfare Fund, 30 lakhs to Red Cross, to Deputy Commissioner Saab. More can be done, though the industry is not in a very good condition right now, and most of the donors have already paid. And but still, I don't say it cannot be done. We have a confusion here. We keep on getting various lists from various bodies. I have with me I am heading CII Punjab, and I have with me Mr. Neeraj Satija. He's also online in this meeting. He is the CSR head for all these kind of activities. What the confusion that we have is we get different lists from different bodies. Like some person would be sending, we need this for civil hospital, and another person will be sending this. So even now I have 2 or 3 lists with me. So if somebody can make a combined list and forward to Mr. Neeraj Satija, of course I'm always there for that. But since he's the nodal person from CIA on this matter, from industry behalf, I can assure we will do whatever required, because I don't see that the list itself is a big one or big amount list. Definitely we can do that. Kindly make one comprehensive list for that. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Thanks for inviting CMC Ludhiana to be part of this meeting. Thank you, Mr. Rahul and Mr. Satija and others. With me is our medical superintendent, Dr. Anil Luthar. He is actively involved in management of COVID patients. And we are close to Civil Hospital Ludhiana. And for last 126 years, we are taking care of civil hospitals and people of Ludhiana in all crises. It's not the first time. And even now, we have to manage COVID crisis along with citizens of Ludhiana, as they have supported always from Dr. Brown's time now. And we are thankful to each and everyone who have made their contribution. Madam Dr. Satinder is there, and she will agree with me. We are taking care of their complex pregnant patients also. Deliveries which patients cannot be transferred to PGI or Rajendra Hospital. All ICU patients we are managing, along with investigations and other things. CT scan, MRI is done in CMC for civil hospital patients. Similarly, COVID patients, all those who need tertiary care, level 3 care, majority of them are transferred to us because we are close to civil hospital. So my humble request is people of Ludhiana, they should come forward and strengthen what all we need, and that will be help to people of, all patients, COVID patients. That's what I would like to say at this moment. Because in past, NGOs have helped us. We are working with NGOs. That's how we have survived for last so many years. So my request to all, this city needs is a nice initiative. I'm thankful. That's what I had told in the beginning. When COVID crisis was started, one press reporter asked me what we should do. I had suggested let's make a COVID fund where entire city of Ludhiana, they are contributing, and equally we are distributing wherever patients are getting treatment. So I am happy City Need is working for that. and it will be very fruitful in future. Thank you.